Hey guys, welcome back, Vern. So here's the backstory. I decided I wanted to go to Ao Nang and see the monkey trail and actually go to this cave called Prang Nang Cave. Now, I went to the pier and I tried to just go from my island around this little peninsula part and then back to it and get a boat. And they're like, no, COVID test. I'm like, just to go there? So now I'm riding all around this island trying to find a trail that will go around this point, and it could be a bunch of walking, but we're gonna try it out anyway. So here we go. This incredibly beautiful area, it's just beyond description. We're gonna walk up here and see if there is a way to get to where I want to go today. If not, I'm not really sure what to do. Just unbelievable area. I'm gonna ask if this is the monkey trail. Might be right here, it might be this walkway, I don't know. I'll ask these people here. They're swimming here. So they're locals, so they would know. Alright. Shrine thing there. Say, is this monkey trail? This is it? To the Prang Nang? Ah, okay, thank you. Alright, this is it. Looks like a heck of a walkway too. This looks really primitive. Ought to be interesting. Ought to be real interesting. Are you ready? Here we go.
Hey, Vern.
Hey! Just gotta watch her step, because you just never know what's going on with this thing. Got a big fat American versus a small Thai person on here. Well, you guys, it's quite the adventure. Quite the adventure. Beautiful beach. Wow. I take my glasses off because I don't want to miss any steps. We've got a long ways to walk. We've got to be really careful in here. Look at that, you guys. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's go up this. Feel like a monkey just going up the trail here. All right. Where it stops, nobody knows. I don't know if we go up this. Well, I guess that one's kind of outdated, so it looks like we're going up this one. Well, we got a long ways to go. What the hell was that? I don't know. Maybe I caught it on video. I don't know. Sure took off fast, whatever it was. Never thought I'd be going up this mountainside here. Do not feed the monkeys. This is steep here. Kind of hard to gimbal and do this, but doing our best. All right. Okay. I gotta stop it. We're up that part. All right. Let's get these sandbags. Keeps your feet out of the mud. Oh. Hello. Ah. Does this go?
Yeah. Look
to
for bamboo.
Bamboo. Oh,
Yeah.
is that the edible?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Now, Prang Beach.
I don't know. I first time come to here
Oh,
today.
okay.
I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I tried to go far. So remember that bamboo soup that we had made? That's what she's looking for. Looking for the baby bamboo. Oh, this is really an adventure. I didn't think it'd be this much an adventure. I guess in a way I'm glad the boat thing didn't go through and get to experience this. Really cool. It's really cool, you guys. Wow, look at that. I can kind of see it poking through the trees. Very cool. Yeah, this is awesome. This is Thailand, you guys. This is really cool. So I'm hoping this will continue around the island. Those cliffs over to the right are pretty dang steep. I don't know if it'll go across that because I kind of need to go through that there, but I guess we'll find out how far this goes. I want to get to Prang, I think it's called Prang Nang Cave, but I just don't know the extent of this trail and where it's going to take us today. It's all kind of exploratory. All right, I got some more stairs here. All right. Now the wood's pretty stout so far. I don't know what it's made out of. Doesn't seem to be too slippery, a little bit, but not too bad. All right, so now it looks like we're wiggling our way back down. And then to where, right? So just go to this beach. All right, I got a quick gimbal, and this is really steep here, you guys. I have to go slow. All right, guys, so it looks like we're not able to get to Prang Cave. There's no boats that go there without a COVID test, and even then, we might not even go over there. So basically, we got this incredible beach all to ourselves. And this is about as far as we're gonna go. We can walk up the beach a little bit, but behind us is private property. So I'll show you where we're at, this amazing site, and that'll be it. So where I wanna go is on the other side of that point, around the bend, and then on the next curve. And there's no way to get there unless it's swim or a boat. But we're at least gonna walk up here and see what there is. Now this place, you can only get here on either a boat or that funky little trail that we took down, so that's quite a little trail. But this resort seems to be closed. What a great resort though. Wow, look at this place. You can only get here by boat or down that little trail. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Can't imagine it's anything but empty right now though. It's kind of the fate of all these places. Gotta watch the tide here. How'd you like to stay in this exclusive resort? I'll have to find the name of it. Well, at least we're getting a nice beach walk out of it anyway. There's some signs here that are advertising. Hotel guests only. I'll give you a shot of this place. What a great backdrop too. Look at that. What a great backdrop. Let's see. Welcome to Sentara Grand Beach Resort and Villas, Krabi. Wow, they had a neat deal here. Really a neat deal here. Look at the mountain backdrop. I bet the hiking was great back here. I wonder if that's like a burial cave up there. See that way up top? Try to zoom in on it. I wonder if this is one of those resorts that's been closed for 2 years. What a place this was though. Wow. Look at those caves way up there. See the caves way up there? So nobody's been collecting seashells here in a while. Well, if nothing else, we're out exploring. I mean, how do you beat this going for a walk? See this lovely area. I never knew that this was here. I didn't get exactly where I wanted to be, but this place ain't half bad either. Look at that, you guys. We're gonna do this floating dock. This looks cool. All right, you guys, let's have fun here. Let's do this dock. Look at this thing. We're gonna walk out there. That'll be kind of fun, huh? Whoa, it's actually slippery now that my feet are wet and sandy. Whoa, I get seasick walking on this thing. Wow. This is really weird. Really weird. Never been on such a weird thing. Gonna get a nice shot at the end of this though. I'll tell you that. This is like a waterbed gone bad. This is really bizarre. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. You can walk on your waterbed because somebody's waving it up and down. Wow. That's a trip and a half. All right, we'll go farther. We'll ride the waterbed out. See how far we can get. Looks like it's anchored at the end. Otherwise, it would pull away. Maybe that's what these are for, to hold on. I think that's not a bad idea. Hold on for dear life. Well, they're not very good at holding on because they're kind of wiggly. All right, might as well go to the end. Gone this far. This is bizarre. I don't know, you guys. Riding the storm out. It's like if you walk with the wave, you can kind of walk it out. Oh boy, here's a big one coming. Look at that. All right. Kind of hard to get footage because I'm rocking like a hurricane. Gorgeous though, just gorgeous out here. You can see that. See that? How it's waving? Riding the wave, baby. Riding the wave. We're almost to the end. I don't think there's going to be much benefit to go to the very end. Gorgeous out here though. Wow. Wow. All right, let's go back. It's actually easier walking the wave going back than it was going the other way. Kind of go with the wave this time. Yeah. This is really crazy stuff. Yeah, man. Never been on a floating dock that's like a waterbed wave. Really crazy. Really dang crazy. Ah, we're almost there. Last big push. There we are. See how far up here we can get. Kind of curious. All right, that was fun for the whole family, huh? If I had a resort back here, I'd have some trails back in here. So if you're thinking what I'm thinking, maybe there's something back in here. Let's have a look. Now we got a pretty good backdrop here. Look at that, you guys. Yeah. Thinking these guys just cleared through here and kind of weed whacked out some of this. Burning brush. Wow. That doesn't look prehistoric. What does? Man. Wow. Yeah, maybe they made a trail through here. Something. Huh. Maybe that's it. That looks to be it. Huh. I bet there's some bats in there, huh? Well, we may not be exactly where we wanted to be, but as they say, we sure aren't where we were, so I guess that's a benefit. I wasn't able to get over to that other place, but I'm happy to be this far. I could be happy with this. That's about as prehistoric looking could ever get right there. Go live inside that cave right there, huh? Look at all the shells in here. Wow. It's like Shell Beach right here. Holy cow, look at this one, guys. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna snag that. Look at that. Very cool. Just gotta watch the tide though. Wow. Really cool. Oh, here's a mini one. A little mini one. Wow. I'm not sure if there's anything in these or not. Oh, look at that big one. That would have been cool. Ah. Look at all the ants in here. Probably eating whatever is alive that washed ashore in here. All right, you guys. It's how to get up.
Hey, Vern.